In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about Bacillus cereus bacteria. Bacillus cereus is a gram-positive, rod-shaped, facultatively anaerobic bacterium. It is becoming one of the important causes of food poisoning in the industrial world. They are widely spread in nature and frequently isolated from soil and growing plants, but it is also well adapted for growth in the intestinal tract of insect and animal. Bacillus cereus is seen on microscope as gram-positive rod-shaped bacilli with square ends. They are single rod-shaped or appear in short chains. Colonies are surrounded by a wide zone of beta-hemolysis. Bacillus cereus is a foodborne pathogen that can produce toxins, causing two types of gastrointestinal illness, the emetic, vomiting, syndrome and the diarrheal syndrome. When the emetic toxin, cerulide, is produced in the food, vomiting occurs after ingestion of the contaminated food. Clinical features include nausea and vomiting, dizziness, intestinal colic, headache, diarrhea. For the treatment of Bacillus cereus, early administration of appropriate antibiotic treatment is important to prevent progression of the disease and the mortality. Vancomycin appears to be the most suitable treatment of choice.